Before we start, I want to share with you guys that we will soon have a 1,000 followers in TikTok. Please follow me on TikTok and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Here's your random shout out. Shout out, Vi, Likla Gaming, Bloods Team, Himalamu Lepsha, Mamai Redondo, France Dave Barnaevo, Kyo, who want this? Create a new project. The first thing to do is we will first put an animation on the 3 photos. Take a 1 photo first. Add the swing bottom animation with the duration of 3 seconds. After you put the animation, you just save the project. After we save the first photo, the next step is just replace it with the other photo. Again, create a new project. Add first to 5 different photos. Link is in the description. These are the duration for this photos. Next, add the animations. These are the animations. Durations for this 2 photos. And this are their animation. Add 4 different photos. These are the durations for the photos. Do this in for photos. Next step is add keyframes. Put a keyframe on the both side of the photo. Move down the left keyframe. And then move up the right keyframe. Do the same process on photos with keyframes. Let's add the animations for this photos. And these are the animations. Select the video clip we animated earlier. Trim it on the left side of the clip to make its duration of 1.8 seconds. And trim the right side of the clip for the duration of his beat. Copy the trimmed clips, and here are their durations. Make the same process with the other clips. These are the durations for this clip. Add an overlay to the first part where you place the video clips. Add overlay. The link is in the description. Please like, share, and subscribe for more.